I'm on the last step of the refinishing on this console or Lowboy Queen Anne style in cherry. And this last stage is the rub out stage, and I've got some 6-aught or 6F pumice powder and also some this is liquid paraffin oil, which I use as a lubricant, and I use this pad then with that. I've done a little woodwork here, so the line stops about right here where I need to do this procedure here. I'm not applying very much pressure. Sometimes I use 4F or 4-aught pumice powder. This is a little bit finer, which I think is okay. It gives me the satin look that I'm after. I'm taking the gloss off with this procedure. I can see it go away from my vantage point. I'm not sure that you can see that much difference from the camera, but this is working quite well. I do all the surfaces with this, and then I've got to get the oil and the pumice off, and there's a remover that I use, some kind of liquid that takes off wax and oil, and so this doesn't take much to knock that back and finish it off and really make that finish look so much better. Now, if I wanted a glossy finish, I could use rotten stone, which is even a finer. But on this piece, I'm not looking for that piano finish. I just want a nice satin look. There's still a lot of shine here, enough shine. Yeah. Sometimes I just do this without the oil. I just use a paintbrush to paint the pumice. That kind of a rub out just with a paintbrush and the pumice, no oil. But this is a little bit not quite as delicate a finish. I didn't do a French polish on this. I just brushed on the shellac coats, mostly seed lac, but I did brush on, or actually patted on, some de-waxed blonde shellac as a last coat, just some straight strokes. So this was just mostly just brushed on shellac. Probably, I don't know, I probably brushed on 15 coats, 10 or 15 coats. Now I'm just gonna have to clean that all off. This molding edge needs to be done. It's nice with this little wadding, furniture wadding, upholstery wadding. It just fits into that molding surface real well with the pumice, and clears it up quite well. So that's going to be the last step.